Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add pictures to your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page. But first, what you want to do is log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard that you can go ahead and access your website from. So what you want to do is go ahead and access your website through the dashboard right here. That's going to open it up like this. So now we can get started with editing it by finding the edit mode. So basically, to get started with adding pictures to your website, what we're going to be using is the edit mode right here. So you want to click on edit. After clicking on edit, this is now going to open up this new menu where you can see we can edit our site header, footer, and so on. And in the main section, guys, we can find one option that says add block. And the blocks are the options we want to use for adding stuff. So what you want to do is click add block. And now we have multiple options right here like text, image, button, video, and so on. What you want to do is find the option for an image. So let's go ahead and scroll until we find an image, as you can see right here. And now you can get started with adding image either from uploading a file from your PC, selecting from your library, browsing stock images, and so on. You can use all the options right here, and then you can select where you want to put the image, add it to your website, and so on. But yeah guys, basically after that, just click on save, exit, and you'll be finished. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.